Long-term U.S. mortgage rates leaped this week to their highest levels in 7 years amid global anxiety over rising interest rates that has gripped financial markets. Mortgage buyer Freddie Mac said Thursday the rate on 30-year fixed-rate mortgages jumped to an average 4.90% this week from 4.71% last week. That's the highest level for the benchmark rate since April 2011. A year ago, it stood at 3.91%. The average rate on 15-year fixed-rate loans rose to 4.29% this week from 4.15% last week. Share this article. The Federal Reserve recently signaled its confidence in the economy by raising a key interest rate for a third time this year, forecasting another rate hike before year's end. It was the central bank's third increase in short-term interest rates this year, with one more expected before year's end. Strong economic data and a positive outlook from Fed officials have spurred a sell-off in U.S. Treasury bonds, especially longer-term bonds, stoking concerns over even higher interest rates. As anxiety over higher rates spiraled, financial markets around the world suffered a massive sell-off. U.S. stocks marked their biggest drop since February on Wednesday, as the Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 831 points. Stocks sank again on Wall Street on Thursday, with the Dow closing down 545 points, or 2.1%. President Donald Trump stepped in on Wednesday to assert that the Fed is making a mistake with its rate increases and accused the central bank of having gone crazy. Interest rates on Treasury bonds have climbed to the highest levels in 7 years as their prices have dropped. The yield on the key 10-year Treasury note, which tends to influence mortgage rates, was at 3.16% Thursday morning. To calculate average mortgage rates, Freddie Mac surveys lenders across the country between Monday and Wednesday each week. The average doesn't include extra fees, known as points, which most borrowers must pay to get the lowest rates. The average fee on 30-year fixed-rate mortgages rose to 0.5 point from 0.4 point last week. The fee on 15-year mortgages also increased to 0.5 point from 0.4 point. The average rate for 5-year adjustable-rate mortgages jumped to 4.07% from 4.01% last week. The fee was unchanged at 0.3 point.